Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about Emma. Can I use Emma to track joint accounts? Yes, you can use the Emma app to connect and track joint bank accounts alongside your personal accounts. This gives you a complete view of all your finances in one place. When you connect a joint account, all the transactions will be visible within the app. However, a key point to understand is how Emma handles the spending analysis for joint accounts. Because bank providers typically do not provide data to differentiate transactions made by each joint account holder, Emma cannot automatically separate who spent what on that account. The spending from the joint account will impact your overall budget and analytics within your primary view. To help manage this, Emma offers a feature called Spaces. With Spaces, you can group specific accounts together, like your joint account, and separate them from your main personal finances. Even better, if your partner also uses Emma, you can share a space with them. This allows both of you to track and manage the joint account transactions within that shared space, while keeping your individual personal spending separate and private in your main Emma view. This shared space feature is typically available on one of Emma's paid subscription tiers, like the Ultimate plan. In short, Emma does connect joint accounts, but its features like Spaces or a shared space with a partner are the most effective way to manage and budget for shared expenses without impacting your personal budget analysis. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.